Hello, Bianca, and welcome back to How Fresh Are You? Yeah! Now today, we got these amazing people here you've seen on Know Your Roots race, who was the winner of Know Your Roots. Yeah! And next to her was 5th place. Is Reuben. Yeah, let's give a big hand. Yeah!
Nice.
And what's the name of your team, guys?
We're gonna be Team T-Hay.
All right. And over here on this side, we also go from Know Your Roots. We got Fili who came 4th. Yeah. And we got Bianca who came 2nd equal. Yeah. What's the name of your group?
Team MMT.
So now we're going to start with what we always start with, which is our rapid fire. And remember, the quickest to the buzzer got a chance to win it, okay? So let's go. And our first question for today. What image is on the New Zealand 10-cent coin?
The Tiki or
The
Seinafo?
tiki. Yep, there you go. There's a point here for Team T-Hay. Yeah! Give it up. Now, our next question we have is, listen carefully, because this is a different language. You might not understand. Jolet Jen Anis means gifts from God. In which island? Team T-Hay?
French Polynesia?
French Polynesia, very close.
It's
Very
not
close.
French. Tahiti?
No.
New Caledonia?
Oh, no.
Cook Islands.
Oh, okay. I'll give you a clue. I'll give you a clue. There was a famous New Zealand All Black halfback with the same last name. Yes?
Muliaina?
A halfback. You know what a halfback is?
No!
Yeah.
He played halfback
Not the
sometimes.
fullback. Not the fullback. A halfback.
Smart.
Yes.
Marshall?
Justin Marshall Islands is the answer. Marshall Islands. Thank you, MMT. Good score. Okay, our next question. Which island is the oldest in the Pacific?
Tonga.
Oh, no.
Hawaii?
Oh, we're very close.
Samoa?
Almost. It's in the Cook Islands.
Do they make burgers?
No.
That's not McDonald's.
But when you eat a burger, it tastes very. That's the name of the island. The oldest island is 18 million years old, and it is Mangaya. Mangaya, near the Cook Island region.
There's something every
Yeah,
day.
yeah, yeah. Last question. To which ocean trench is the deepest in the world?
The Mariana.
Oh, yeah, Bobby!
T-Hay!
Yeah, and that's the end of our rapid fire. As you can see, leading on our scoreboard is T-Hay with 549 points. Following close behind is MMT with 349.M. Okay, but now I'm gonna move on to Take Me Hollywood, where one of these guys is going to act out a script, but he will do it in a character that I will give him, and the other one will have to guess what movie it comes from. Yeah, Take Me Hollywood. And Team T-Hay, we have Reuben, who obviously is an actor. He's going to be actor. Yeah, right. Now he has to act all these scripts out as SpongeBob. Yeah, let's give it up for Reuben. All right. They only have 1 minute. Team T-Hay, your minute starts now.
Wax on, wax off. Wax on, wax off.
Pass.
Pass. Oh,
Yep.
next one.
My precious.
Lord of the Rings.
Ah, there. Well done.
Hey, bye-bye, Felicia.
Friday.
Yes. Yeah.
Hey, do you want to see some Michael Jackson dance moves?
Boy.
Hey!
Yeah.
Hasta la vista, baby.
Yeah. There you have it. Your minute is gone, but you've done really well. Yeah.
We got
Give it up for Team T-Hay. So just to let you know, the wax on, wax off was from the movie The Karate Kid. Hasta la vista, baby was from the movie The Terminator. Yeah. We got Team MMT, and who's going to act for you guys? All right, Becca, I can't wait. And your character for today is David Tua. Yeah, all right. Let's give it up for Team MMT. Yeah. And Bianca, your 1 minute starts now.
I'm Bob Titino. I'm a private investigator. Pass.
Pass.
It's actually Maui, demigod of the ocean, on a boat with a little girl. Yes. I'll do you one better. Gamora. She's Gamora. No, pass.
pass,
Okay.
pass.
He really is Black Superman.
Oh, that's Fast and Furious.
Yes.
Hot for sure.
And that's it, your 1 minute is up. Great effort by you guys.
There was not much David to it.
Oh no, that was absolutely Joseph Baga. Everyone, but the only two movies they missed, I'm Bob Cicino, private investigator, was Take Home Pay. Yeah, he's a cool guy, man. And I'll do you one better. Why is Gamora? And that was the movie Infinity War. So those are the two that you guys missed out. Let's check it out, scoreboard. We have 500 points with T-Hay, and closely behind with 627 points, we have Team MMT. So the winner for today is T-Hay. And before we go, we got some great prizes for these guys. We got the blue one there for Grace, the black one here for Jack, some amazing t-shirts, and also some vouchers here from Blue Rose. I love Blue Rose. And we hope to see you same time next week on
How fresh are you?
Yeah!